Hey guys, welcome back to code.com. Today we are going to create game window with Pygame. Okay, let's do it. Open Visual Studio Code and create Python file. Rename and save it. Firstly, you should import module to project. To it, write this code. Now create variable to create screen. Give name to it what you like. I will give game screen equals pygame.display.set underscore mode and brackets height and weight. Pygame.display.flip brackets. Hooray! We created game screen. See you in next video.